ተማር ልጄ ወገን ዘመድ የለኝ ሀብት የለኝም ከእጄ ስማኝ ልጄ ሌት ፀሐይ ነው ላስተማረ ሰው ግን ቀኑ ጨለማ ነው።
Hello everyone, this is Key Tutor. Today we'll present you subtraction tricks. What is subtraction, dear?
Subtraction is a difference between two numbers.
Yes, subtraction is the calculation of the gap between two numbers. Now we have several subtractions here. Let us take on the first one, 56 minus 27. Last time, in the case of addition, we were changing one of the numbers to be added into a multiple of 10. That was the trick. We'll be using the same trick here. Okay, let us calculate 56 minus 27. You keep 56. Now, when you write 27, you don't directly write 27, you write 20. So, you will have 56 minus 20. In your mind, don't forget, you didn't subtract 7 yet. Now, let's work on 56 minus 20. 56 minus 20 is 36. Now again, remembering the 7 that we didn't yet subtract, we bring it here. So we will have 36 minus 7, step by step. So you will have a borrow then. 16 minus 7 is 9. Then the end result will be 29. Right? Okay. So here, the calculation forced you to borrow. Can we make a calculation that does not require a borrow? Let's see. In the next calculation, we will be doing that. We still want to work on 56 minus 27. This time, as 27 is near to 30, we will subtract 30. 56 minus 30. But in doing so, we have subtracted 3 from 27. Mind you, minus 3 is there. So remembering that, we go on. 56 minus 30 is 26. Remember that 3 you have subtracted to reach at 26. Therefore, you need 3 here. So when you add 3, 26 plus 3 is 29. Let's work on 85 minus 48. 85 minus 48. First, keep 85 as it is. Then you subtract 40. You make 48 a multiple of 10 by just taking 40. Then, which means you still remain with negative 8. But 85 minus 40, which is 45. Remember, you didn't subtract 8, so you bring the subtraction here. So 45 minus 8 requires a borrow, which means 50 minus 8 is 7, and then 4 becomes 3, and 37. But we can do it in another way. In the last example here, we will show how to do it. So 85 minus 48, first you write 85, but in place of 48, now you write 50. It means you further subtracted 2. Okay, keep this in mind, but go on subtraction. 85 minus 50 is 35. Don't forget that 2 you have subtracted. Now you add it here. Then 35 plus 2 is 37. Again. Now let's go to the exercise. 95 minus 39. How shall we approach this? 95 minus 39.
I will subtract 40 from 95.
Why? 40
because 40 is the nearest number to 39.
Okay.
And that will be like 55. I will add 1.
Okay.
And that will be
56. Yeah. Again, let's come here. 88 minus 45. What's it?
I subtracted 40 from 88.
Okay.
And then it's like 48.
Yes.
And then I subtracted 5 again.
Okay.
It's like 43.
That's nice. So this is a step-by-step subtraction which you do from left to right, starting from the tens place and you go to the units place. Now we are having a little bit complicated number. We are going to subtract a 3-digit number from a 3-digit number. Let's subtract 327 from 576. As usual, we keep 576 down here, and what shall we subtract? Only 300.
Yes.
Okay, 576 minus 300. So that is 276, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
276. Now you have 27 you didn't subtract yet, and instead of 27 you take 30. But while taking 30, what you have done is that you further subtracted 3, right? Don't forget that. Keep that in mind and go on subtraction. 276 minus 30 is 246. Okay, that number you have already subtracted should be added here. What was the number you have subtracted? It was 3, and now you have to add it here. 246 plus 3 is 249. This time we are going to work on 439 plus 497. The technique we are going to use here is a bit different from the ones we have seen previously, because I'm going to work on both the numbers 439 and 497. I want to change both the numbers into multiple of 10. For 439 I write 440, okay, because 439 is near 440, which is a multiple of 10, and by doing that I have added 1, so keep that in mind. Again, 497 is near 500, still I write 500, but while doing so I have added 3. So altogether in this sum I have 4. Okay, now let's sum 440 with 500. That will be 940, but remember we have already found this number by adding 4, so we have to subtract it here. 940 minus 4 is obviously 936. Thank you for your attention. Next time we'll be back with more operation. Till then, goodbye everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, share, so that others will get this material and understand how to work on subtraction with a little bit of trick.